Welcome to The Men, where we delve into the minds and strategies of the most successful men in modern history. We're uncovering the secrets of how these men, particularly Elon Musk, made their fortunes. More than just accumulating wealth, they've shaped industries and changed the world. So, how can you learn from them? Let's break it down. Chapter 1: The Power of Vision and Ambition. Every great man starts with a vision. Elon Musk, one of the most influential figures in our time, grew up in South Africa. From a young age, he was driven by an insatiable curiosity and a desire to change the world. At 12, he programmed his first video game, Blaster, and sold it for $500. This wasn't just a fluke, it was the first step on a long journey of innovation. Musk's ambition didn't stop with small successes. He envisioned a future where technology could solve humanity's biggest challenges. His early ventures were the training ground for what was to come. Remember, every great man begins with a vision. What's yours? Chapter 2: High Risks, High Rewards. The men who change the world don't play it safe. After selling his first company, Zip2, for nearly $300 million, Musk didn't retire. Instead, he reinvested nearly all of it into a new venture, X.com, what we now know as PayPal. This was a risky move, but great men understand that big rewards come from taking big risks. The leap from a city guide software to revolutionizing online payments was bold, but it paid off when eBay acquired PayPal for $1.5 billion. The lesson here is clear: the path to wealth requires you to take calculated risks. The men who succeed are those who bet on their vision and put everything on the line. Chapter 3: Reinvestment and Diversification. What sets extraordinary men apart is their ability to reinvest and diversify. After his success with PayPal, Musk could have easily settled down. Instead, he ventured into two of the riskiest industries, space exploration and electric vehicles. He founded SpaceX with the goal of colonizing Mars and joined Tesla to prove that electric cars were not just viable, but superior. Both ventures were on the brink of failure multiple times, but Musk's willingness to reinvest his earnings and diversify his portfolio kept them alive. This is a critical lesson. To build true wealth, you need to reinvest your profits and diversify your ventures, just like the men who changed the world before you. Chapter 4: Persistence in the Face of Failure. Every man who's ever made a mark on history has faced failure. For Elon Musk, the path was fraught with setbacks. In 2008, as the financial crisis hit, both Tesla and SpaceX were on the verge of collapse. Musk had to make a tough decision: let one company fail or risk everything to save both. He chose to risk it all, and it paid off. SpaceX's successful launch and Tesla's rise to prominence were the results of relentless persistence. The lesson here? True men don't give up. They push through failure, learning and adapting until they achieve success. Chapter 5: Leveraging Money for Greater Impact. The men who leave a legacy understand that money is a tool for impact. Elon Musk didn't just use his wealth to live comfortably. He invested in ideas that could change the world, from SpaceX's Mars colonization plans to Tesla's electric vehicles, to Neuralink's brain-computer interfaces. These ventures aren't just businesses, they're solutions to humanity's biggest challenges. To truly make money like the men, you must leverage your wealth to create lasting change. It's not just about accumulating money, it's about using it to shape the future and solve problems that matter. The journey of the men isn't just about making money, it's about making a difference. Vision, risk-taking, reinvestment, persistence, and leveraging wealth for impact are the principles that have guided the most successful men in history. Learn from their stories, and you too can embark on your own path to greatness. Thank you for watching The Men. Remember, the journey to wealth is just the beginning. It's what you do with it that truly defines your legacy. Share and subscribe this channel for such more motivation and learning video.